Are you ready to transform your winter garden into a vibrant oasis? In this video, we'll explore 10 of the best winter flowering plants that will not only add color, but also bring life to your outdoor space during the cold months. Make sure to stick around till the end for some bonus tips on how to care for these beauties. 1. Carnations are beloved for their fragrant blooms and come in a stunning array of colors, from soft pastels to vibrant hues. These hardy flowers can thrive in cooler temperatures, making them perfect for winter gardens. Plant them in well-drained soil and provide them with plenty of sunlight. Did you know that carnations symbolize love and fascination? So, planting them can also add a touch of romance to your garden. 2. Gazania, often called the treasure flower, is a low-maintenance plant that produces bright, daisy-like flowers. These cheerful blooms come in shades of yellow, orange, and red, and they love sunny spots. Gazanias are drought-tolerant, making them ideal for warmer climates where winter rain is scarce. They're perfect for borders or containers and will light up your garden even on the dreariest days. 3. Hollyhocks are tall, stately plants that can reach heights of up to 8 feet. Their stunning spikes of flowers bloom in late winter and early spring, offering a spectacular display that attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Hollyhocks thrive in full sun and prefer well-drained soil. With their old-fashioned charm, they can add vertical interest to your garden and create a beautiful backdrop for shorter plants. 4th, Verbena is a resilient flowering plant known for its ability to thrive in winter conditions. Its clusters of small flowers come in various colors, purple, pink, red, and white, and bloom continuously throughout the season. Verbena loves full sun and well-drained soil. It's also great for attracting butterflies. Plant it in hanging baskets or as ground cover for a delightful splash of color. 5. Geranium. Known for their long-lasting blooms, geraniums are versatile plants that flourish indoors or outdoors during the winter months. They come in many varieties with rich colors and unique leaf shapes. Geraniums prefer bright light but can tolerate some shade. Their fragrant leaves can also deter pests. With proper care, these beauties can bloom all winter long, bringing joy to your home or garden. 6. Begonias are cherished for their beautiful foliage and colorful flowers that bloom throughout the winter months. They prefer partial shade and thrive in rich, well-drained soil. With their striking leaves often variegated or textured, begonias can add visual interest even when not in bloom. These plants are perfect for indoor pots or shaded outdoor areas, making them incredibly versatile. 7. Salvia is not only beautiful, but also attracts beneficial insects to your garden. With its striking blue and purple flowers, salvia can bloom throughout the winter, providing color when most other plants are dormant. These hardy plants prefer full sun and well-drained soil. Plus, many varieties are drought-tolerant once established. Salvia is an excellent choice for adding both beauty and ecological value to your garden. 8. Cyclamen. Cyclamen are unique winter flowers with heart-shaped leaves and delicate blooms that rise above them like little butterflies. They thrive in cooler temperatures and can be planted both indoors and outdoors. Cyclamen prefer partial shade and need well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Their charming appearance makes them perfect for window boxes or as indoor decorations during the holiday season. 9. Chrysanthemum, or mums, are classic fall and winter flowers known for their vibrant colors and diverse forms, from pom-poms to spider mums. They can last well into the winter if protected from harsh frost by mulching or bringing potted varieties indoors during cold snaps. Mums thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, making them a staple in many gardens where they provide a burst of color when most other flowers have faded. 10. Petunias are incredibly versatile annuals that can bloom throughout the winter in milder climates. Their wide range of colors and patterns makes them perfect for adding cheer to your garden during the cold months. Petunias prefer full sun, but can tolerate some shade. They thrive in well-drained soil with regular watering, but be careful not to overwater. These cheerful flowers are perfect for containers, hanging baskets, or as ground cover. Bonus tips: placement matters. Ensure your plants are placed according to their sunlight needs. Some prefer full sun, while others thrive in partial shade. Water. Wisely. During winter, overwatering can be detrimental. Ensure proper drainage to keep roots healthy. Fertilize sparingly. Use a balanced fertilizer sparingly during the colder months to promote healthy growth without overwhelming the plants. Mulching. Apply mulch around your plants to help retain moisture and protect roots from freezing temperatures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts and subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating your dream garden. We'd love to hear about your favorite winter flowers in the comments below. Happy gardening!